You wanted them with you, Tunes. I think they're all trying to find a nipple each. And there's 8 nipples, right?
Mm-hmm. There's 9.
You wanted them with you, Toonie.
What a mob.
This one's biting her nipple, see?
I know.
They're fighting for one nipple.
Carnivores. Vampires. Little devils.
That one is just complaining.
Yeah, it's Bravo in the back. He's always doing something weird.
That one is
Yeah.
not Bravo.
No?
No.
Who's that?
Bravo's
Bravo's.
biting
Oh, yeah, you're
him.
right. Oh. You just stepped on his head. Oh, that's Kilo. You're right.
See, Toonie, we thought we would do 4 and 4 and it'd be easier for you. He's getting in there. She's moving them around.